Hello guys, welcome to my channel and to this video. If you are new here, welcome to this channel, and to my old subscribers, you all know what we do here. So today I am here with another video for you, and this is a simple updo that I did on my natural hair. It's a messy bun updo, yeah. So you all should sit down and stick to this channel. Just watch this video till the end. Make sure that you hit on the subscribe button before you leave. Now I just want to put the hair in a bun, and then the product I'm using is Cream of Nature Snot Cream, and it's to give me hold on this hair because it has a kind of hold. And forgive me for the kind of I think reactions that I'm putting on the video. I mean, I was like listening to a video, crazy Nicki Minaj music, and I was just singing along. But I just as I was forwarding this video, you wouldn't be able to listen to the track, but yeah, it was one of those crazy tracks. So enough of that. So let me just put the hair in a puff, and then I do the messy bun out of it, and then I'm gonna be showing you how to do the bank. I don't want to talk much, but I'll come in from time to time to share to explain to you some of the things that I'm doing in the video. Just do well to stick around, and also hit on the subscribe button if you love this video, and if you love my content, and show some love. Just hit on the thumbs up button if you like this video too. So after the bun, then I come up to the front part of the hair. I decided to do a twist at first, but I eventually changed my mind and decided to use my spiral set, since I bought that for how long has it been now? I mean, like 6 months ago, and I still haven't been able to try it because I mean, I didn't have much of it. I wanted 2 bundles and I got only 1. Yeah, so I decided to use that to try that on my hair. So I'm gonna use I'm using a gel with it, and so you can see it's an eco stylish gel, one of my favorite gels, and I'm just putting that in the hair, and then I'll just twist the hair around it just like how it goes on the spiral rod. So that is basically what I am doing. Now the color of my hair is because I put a temporal hair dye in my hair, and you can check out the video to how I dyed my hair in my previous video. I'll put a link to that video in the description box, and you see it was a temporal hair dye, and it gave me this highlights that I do like now in my hair. So I'm just putting the spiral rod set on, and the only thing I'm adding to my hair now is the gel, and then I'll just twist it around the spiral rod. I'm just trying out this to see how it will look like, whether it's gonna give me the twist out look or it's gonna give me any other look. So honestly, it wasn't that easy fixing this spiral rod on my hair. I don't know if it's because it was my first time, but I also found it difficult, and I think I don't really like it the way it is, because it takes quite some time to be able to get this on your hair, and I would have been able to twist my hair faster than using the spiral rods on my hair. So I just want to tell you that if you're trying to use this, it's gonna take some time, and so this is the look, and I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'll take it out. Unfortunately, I couldn't wait for long because I had somewhere to go and my hair had to be out of these, so I decided to take down this spiral rods from my hair. And unfortunately it wasn't really dry, but I still wanted to take it down, and so you can see that I didn't really get the definition, but I think I got that fuller look, and I'm very much happy about that. So as I'm taking down this hair, you will see that my hair looks fuller. I mean, in the front part of the hair, it looks very fuller, and it looks nicer. So I just want to say that it's very time consuming to use the spiral rod set on your head, honestly, and I would prefer twisting my hair to using the spiral rod set on my hair, period. So this is the final look of the hair, and you can see that it is nice, honestly. I mean, you can see with your own two eyes. Yeah, so I just decided to put it to do this simple bang with it, and you can see that it came out really perfect. And I think the color highlights also helped a bit, and this is the final look. I'm definitely in love with this style. It is a go-to style that I would be doing sometime to come, once a while. And so tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Tell me, just let me know if you're gonna be trying it out, or just let me know your general thoughts about the hairstyle. And yeah, I mean, that is it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, or just hit on the comment section and let me know what you think about this hairstyle, whether you be trying it out, whether, I mean, your general thoughts. I don't know what to say, but yeah, thanks again for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you same time next week. Peace.